In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a realistic AI photo of yourself with Midjourney plus Face Swap. We'll start from scratch, find a professional-looking base image, and then replace the face with your own selfie for a clean, natural result. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney and open the official Midjourney website. Once you're on the site, go to the Explore page. You'll see a search bar there. Type Professional Man. This search is just a quick way to find a polished portrait style that feels like a studio headshot or a corporate profile, which tends to blend well when you swap your face in. Browse the results and click on any image you like. Look for a pose and lighting setup that feels close to how you'd want your own photo to look. Next, click on Prompt. This reveals the exact instructions that generated the image, including style and lighting cues, so you can recreate something similar. Then, click Submit, followed by Create. Midjourney will generate fresh versions based on that prompt. When they're ready, click the rendered photo you like best to open it. Now, click Edit to launch the in-browser editor. You'll see tools for adjusting the image. Select the eraser and brush over the subject's face. You're telling Midjourney which area you want to replace, so be precise. Cover the facial features and hairline as needed, but try not to erase the background or clothing. If available, adjust brush size for edges and zoom in for accuracy. A clean mask helps the swap look more seamless. Next, upload your selfie. Choose a well-lit photo with your face clearly visible. Aim for a similar angle and expression to the base image, and avoid heavy shadows, sunglasses, or obstructions. Neutral lighting and a straightforward pose usually produce the most realistic blend. If your selfie is recent and high resolution, the details will transfer more convincingly. With your selfie uploaded and the mask in place, click Submit Edit. Midjourney will process the swap and render a new version of the image. Give it a moment. When it appears, check the hairline, skin tone, and jawline transitions. If something looks off, you can repeat the edit, refine the masked area, or try a selfie with a slightly closer angle or better lighting. That's it. You've created a realistic AI photo of yourself by pairing a strong base portrait with a clean face swap inside Midjourney. Follow these exact steps, tweak your selfie and mask if needed, and you'll land a professional-looking result.